Hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add headings to your Google Docs document. Now I'm going to add a heading to your name. So I'm going to highlight that text. Now you want to go to format from the menu options, and then you want to go to where it says paragraph and style. Now if you hover over that, you'll see more options, and here it shows you all the different headings. So you have heading 1 all the way through to heading 6. Now all you have to do is just select which one you want. Now, I also want to mention that you can do this by a shortcut, and that shortcut is Control Alt and 1 through to 6. So let's go ahead and choose, for example, heading 2. So I'm gonna simply go to heading 2 and then click and apply. But for heading 3 onwards, I'm going to press Control Alt and that number on my keyboard. So let's apply heading 2. And as you can see, I applied heading 2 to the text. So I'm going to highlight it, press Ctrl Alt and 3 on my keyboard, and you see that that's heading 3. Do the same for 4, do the same for 5, do the same for 6. And as you can see, these are the different styles. So let's go back to heading 1, Ctrl Alt and 1, and that's it. So you can easily go ahead and apply or add headings to your text by going to the format and go to paragraph and styles and choose the one that you want, and you can easily go ahead and choose that one of your choice. Very easy and very simple, guys.